Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here with another designing project for Knitwit Collections. I made two simple Christmas travel folios and now I'm going to share with you the first one that I made using the Joyeux Noël digital bundle. In these folios you can definitely put your travel pictures, keep memories such as tickets from places you visited during your journey, and of course you can use it also as a journal to write your thoughts. Both collections are linked down below in the description area. Of course, because you asked it for, down below you will also find the measurements in centimeters and in inches as well. And here is the one that we are going to make together. For this one I used the Fireside Christmas collection. On these waterfalls I decided to use white papers on the back of them just because on a black cardstock it's not so easy to journal. On this area you can stick pictures and here you can journal. The background helps you to write notes. I just love these two pockets on this folio. Take a look at this big tag, it's simply adorable. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. So for the base we need one piece of black cardstock 27.5 by 21 cm and score it on the long side at 13.5 and 14. Now I'm slightly move the paper to add one more scoring line between these two ones. Like this. I am doing this just because I want to have a curved spine, but actually this step is totally optional.
Snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here.
For the two flaps I do cut the corners.
The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
I put double-sided tape on all the 1.5 scored parts. Now I take the flap and I adhere it on the left of the folio in this way. Then I am going to build the two waterfalls. Now I am going to use magnets. First I put a small amount of liquid glue, I stick the magnet and I secure it with a piece of clear sellotape. Then I take another piece of sellotape with the sticky side up and I stick the magnet and press it down firmly.
The time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!